Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation on AERGO, Blockchain Fuel for Autonomous Business. We are Ghumat. Cryptocurrency and blockchain demystified. AERGO is a fourth-generation enterprise-ready blockchain protocol combined with an IT platform that uses advanced technologies allowing businesses to build innovative applications and services by sharing data on a trustless and distributed IT ecosystem. It's being built for developers, for businesses, and for the IT suppliers that enable them. Internet web has been evolving from being a mere web of things to the web of thoughts. From early 90s when web was used for one-way information broadcasting, it evolved to a social web where people could collaborate and share information. Early 2000s saw advent of applications such as Chrome, Dropbox, Skype, blogs, and more, which made Web 2.0 powerful than Web 1.0. At the current state, Web 3.0 allows location-aware and moment-relevant content and applications to provide a seamless high-quality user experience. From information to people to knowledge, Web 4.0 in near future would be a ubiquitous web. Present everywhere, it would provide ambient intelligence and artificial intelligence to machines and IoT devices, delivering an experience that we even cannot imagine now. WebOS and other advancements would make cloud computing more relevant for us to explore usage of IoT. Cloud computing, a shared pool of configurable computer resources, relies on resource sharing to achieve economies of scale and coherence, to rapidly provision higher-level services. There are different models by which one can explore cloud computing capabilities for personal and commercial use. These models are based on top of infrastructure, platform, or application layer. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has defined various cloud computing types. IaaS, or infrastructure as a service, is a cloud computing use case where the consumer is able to deploy and run arbitrary software, which can include operating systems and applications. The consumer does not manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure but has control over operating systems, storage and deployed applications, and possibly limited control of select networking components, for example, host firewalls. Platform as a service, PaaS, is the capability provided to the consumer to deploy onto the cloud infrastructure consumer-created or acquired applications created using programming languages, libraries, services, and tools supported by the provider. The consumer does not manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure including network, servers, operating systems, or storage, but has control over the deployed applications and possibly configuration settings for the application hosting environment. Software as a service, SaaS, is the capability provided to the consumer to use the provider's applications running on a cloud infrastructure. The applications are accessible from various client devices through either a thin client interface, such as a web browser, for example, web-based email, or a program interface. The consumer does not manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure including network, servers, operating systems, storage, or even individual application capabilities, with the possible exception of limited user-specific application configuration settings. Mobile Backend as a Service, MBaaS, is the use case where web app and mobile app developers are provided with a way to link their applications to cloud storage and cloud computing services with application programming interfaces, APIs, exposed to their applications and custom software development kits, SDKs. Serverless computing is a cloud computing code execution model in which the cloud provider fully manages starting and stopping virtual machines as necessary to serve requests, and requests are billed by an abstract measure of the resources required to satisfy the request, rather than per virtual machine, per hour. Function as a Service, FaaS, is a service-hosted remote procedure call that leverages serverless computing to enable the deployment of individual functions in the cloud that run in response to events. With the evolution in web internet technology, the acceptance and usage has increased tremendously. With the advent of Web 2.0, businesses started interacting with consumers through their mobile phones, and a plethora of mobile applications have been launched. But these applications work on a centralized server architecture, which has limitations. And this need has led to development of a decentralized peer-to-peer network-based decentralized application or DApp architecture. DApp are easier and faster to deploy as compared to traditional applications. DApp often run on blockchain, their code is made open-sourced, they generate DApp token to provide value to their contributing nodes, and users are granted access in exchange of the tokens. DApps have found application in money management transactions, scenarios where money can be integrated with external real-world events, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Web 4.0 along with dApps, IoT and PaaS cloud computing model has formed the basis of AERGO ecosystem. AERGO is committed to deploy user-friendly technology, use secure and scalable public and private blockchain-based cloud architecture, and it would allow third parties and businesses to connect and engage in an open environment. One of the competition is NULS adaptable blockchain. AERGO's core technology is based on CoinStack from Blocko Incorporated, a leading blockchain technology and enterprise IT integration services company, which operates out of the UK, South Korea, and Hong Kong. CoinStack is a third-generation blockchain, which is being used by over 25 million users through 20 in-production systems. Blocko has already deployed their blockchain solution in leading companies like Hyundai, Samsung, IBM, and LG. AERGO uses decentralized architecture and distributed digital ledger, acting as a bridge between permissionless public blockchain and permissioned private cloud blockchain. It's easy to build and display enterprise performance and manageability. Public blockchains are unreliable and are subjected to frequent hard forks, creating a new variant of the erstwhile blockchain. Hence, integration of a new technology into a complex proprietary system is an unbelievably complex task, and much more so with public blockchains. AERGO will leverage innovation and the ease of use of public blockchains, and the security and performance of private blockchains. The building block of the AERGO ecosystem is the distributed directory, or DD. Each DD in a repository will act like a blockchain on its own, and manage an independent and isolated namespace. Architecture is divided into AERGO Chain, AERGO Hub, and AERGO Marketplace. AERGO Chain, a public internet of blockchains. AERGO will be a public blockchain protocol but devoid of limitation of public blockchains such as frequent hard forks, susceptibility to security threats, operation disruption due to frequent updates, new programming language for each blockchain, example Solidity for ETH, data privacy limitation, limited scalability bandwidth, difficult to sign RIGIs, not interoperable. AERGO Chain is built on the basic building blocks which are delegated proof of stake, DPoS, smart contract, AERGO SQL, branching, merging, concurrency control, parallelism, AERGO file system, similar to Facebook's Haystack technology, domain-based partitioning, and distributed directory, DD. AERGO Hub, the public interface to the AERGO chain. The hub will connect and work with dApps which are part of the AERGO platform. AERGO will create two repositories to store such dApps, a public repository and a private repository. These repositories will contain the software program codes that are being written for a project. They will allow developers to work together from any part of the world. AERGO Marketplace, a place for buying or selling software applications, computing resources, and so on. Accessed via AERGO Hub, and managed through the AERGO Horde, it will be a one-stop shop for all software applications, computation resources, and other similar services that would operate on the AERGO chain. AERGO wishes to support national and regional government agencies who want to implement AERGO's technology for solving their unique problems. Through the AERGO Marketplace, independent software providers and cloud infrastructure vendors will be able to make their services and products available to users of AERGO. Few of applications that would be made available include digital capabilities, such as computing power, storage, machine learning algorithms and specialized databases. AERGO Token. The AERGO token would be a utility token, enabling token holders to access certain services within the domain. These tokens would be mainly used for running smart contracts, as stakes for the BIS consensus algorithm, and for making any type of payment within the AERGO ecosystem. Total token supply would be 500 million. The proceeds from token sale will be used in research and development, incubation, marketing, strategic alliances, and business development. AERGO's roadmap. The project has made quite a lot of progress on their roadmap already. The next major milestone is the test network, which would be released in Q4 2018. The mainnet, public network, is scheduled to be launched in Q1 of 2019, followed by AERGO Hub and Marketplace in Q4 2019. We are Ghumat. This concludes our presentation on AERGO blockchain. Support us by subscribing to our channel by hitting the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Our social media handles are mentioned in the video description. Please like and share with friends and family. Thanks for your time. Cheers.